Alright, I'm gonna admit it, it's been a while, but I miss you guys, and I'm pretty sure that you guys miss me as well. Either ways, today was Samsung's event on the Galaxy S24 series. The hype about the AI and the leaks, I mean, we've had videos of the phones being unboxed on Twitter/X like a month prior to today's date, which is pretty unusual from Samsung. Like, we're used to see that from Google. Like, they used to leak their phones and publish anonymous, quote unquote, unboxing videos of their new Pixels and everything, but we're not used to see that from Samsung. But they did it. Maybe they cheated a little bit from Google, who knows. What matters is that we have the phones now, and they pretty much look like the S23. Now, they copied Apple with the S24 Ultra. They put the new titanium frame for better durability, and it weighs less than aluminum and stainless steel, which is pretty awesome. Now we don't have curved displays anymore, even though Samsung has been pushing that for years on their flagships. Now we don't have that. We have a fully flat display, and it looks like it's old. Like, you could see the bezels. If the display is curved from the right and the left side, right, you feel like, oh, there's no bezels on the right and the left side, but when you actually see the phone, you're gonna see like railways around the display, which don't look very good for a $1,300 phone. Either ways, let's talk AI. AI was the biggest announcement in Samsung's event. Now they have like a new glitter animation thing, where it tells you, hey, you could use some AI features on that picture or on that, you know, photo picture mode, etc. It's really amazing how AI has became like an essential in our day-to-day lives. Like, for example, ChatGPT, even though I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but I use it all the time for my college assignments. I use it all the time, and if you don't use it, you should. It's just taken over, and I feel like it's gonna replace a lot of jobs in the future. But props to Samsung for putting the same chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, across the board, S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, all across the board, same flagship. And there is a lot of AI enhancements, per se, in that Snapdragon chip. And it's up to developers, phone manufacturers to use and take advantage of that AI hardware that Qualcomm put in their chips. Bixby didn't get much changes, and it's pretty much the same as it has always been since the Galaxy S8, which is wild. But other than that, we get new enhancements on the cameras, new enhancements on the, you know, processor and chipset and everything, and a bunch of AI quirks and features. And by the way, a sub to the channel would be I appreciate it. Anyways, let's answer the question that we all ask ourselves. If you have the S22 or the S23, should you upgrade to the S24? Absolutely not. You're gonna notice little to no differences. As usual, yearly upgrades are not really substantial. And a nice quirk is that for the S24 Ultra, you could use the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate display with Quad HD resolution, which is super cool. Samsung didn't really talk about that on stage, but they kind of buried it in the settings. The phone defaults to full HD, but you can dig into the settings and have both high refresh rate and Quad HD resolution, which is super awesome. Honestly, Samsung, again, makes the best displays on any smartphone. As usual, we all know that. And they've been killing it when it comes to displays, not just on phones, but TVs, etc. And to be honest with you guys, I knew deep down that we're not gonna get deep, substantial changes. Yeah, we got some AI quirks, and that was probably the biggest announcement in the event. AI this, AI that. And I expected that, because phones are getting really good, and there are no more changes that you could add on them. They kind of matured, and we use them every day for the same tasks, apps, and it's just a cycle that will probably never end. And that was it for me in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched the Samsung event, leave a comment down below, let me know. And let me know if you use a Samsung device. Let me know what phone do you use actually down there in the comments. And this was Amgad. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video.